Yeah, Vtvt trying to pop above this downtrend. Had a pretty nasty run before. I'm popping up to 450 right now. A lot of sellers at 450. If it can break 450 though, it could get going. Yeah, I'm going. I got filled at 449. Boom, I'm gonna lock this scalp out. So bam, quick little scalp there. Quick little what, 450 up to 470, 20-cent scalp. There, I'm done. Let's see, Adtx popping up. We got a little triangle on the 1 minute going on here. $3 is really tough resistance. If it could break 3, could get going, but there is resistance at 340, but that'd be enough for a quick easy scalp. If it can break 3, we'll see. So let's see, Adtx coming up right now, so we'll see. I'm gonna go on it right here. Let's see if it'll break 3 and if I can get this scalp. See, starting to break down 3. Here we go up 305, 3010. I'll lock it out. There's a scalp right there. So $15 on the day, 2 scalps, 3 seconds in and out, both plays. Boom, bam. And I would say that's probably all my funds on that one. Let's see, what was this at? 3? I may have a little bit left. Ooh, interesting. Life, no PR, but life coming up. This 550 area is going to be tough resistance. But if it breaks 550, it could start moving. I'm going to put that on the watch list as well. Yeah, this, if life breaks 550, this could get going. 550 is pretty much the only resistance up to 6, it looks like. Yeah, only resistance up to 6. And then after that, there's not too much more resistance. So this could possibly get going. This is definitely one to keep an eye on. See, life is getting real close. It's starting to push up now. This 550 area. Gonna go here. It's gonna break 550. Last little 10 shares up to 560. And got rejected there a little bit. I should have took that scalp probably, but I'm trying to give it just a second, see if it's gonna pop over 560 a little bit more. Damn, there's quite a spread on this too. Would I get filled at 553? Yeah. $550, trying to hold us support here. There we go. There's this little pop back up to 558. I'm trying to see it. I'm trying to give it a second here, see if it's gonna pop over. There we go. Boom. So I'm going to take that little scalp there too. It's only $1.65 on 10 shares, but just like that, another 20-cent scalp, and this is getting kind of crazy. But yeah, 3 for 3 today on scalping. Ooh, man, this is really starting to get going all the way up to 6. That's what I was saying. If it broke that 550, it was going to get moving.